Yo, what up, guys? This is Josh Diaz with a video. My first impression is just checking out the iPhone leather wallet with the MagSafe and Find My. This is available for around 60 bucks. So let's just check it out, and I'll just give you some first impressions here. All right, we have it open. Got some paperwork here, and first impressions, it does feel really nice in the hands, really soft, really good quality leather. Got the Apple engraved right here. The back, we have the little hole punch here so we could get our card out. Didn't work as well. So this is just instructions on what to do. And Apple does recommend fitting 3 cards maximum in this, so we're gonna try it out. All right, so we are all set. So let's unlock and add this to Find My. This will allow you to locate this wallet on a map and receive notifications whenever it gets detached. So anytime the wallet comes disconnected from my phone, I will get an alert and I'll be able to find it and find it on a map. And it is all good. So I'm curious, if I take it off, what happens? Okay, I guess it doesn't alert you immediately, but that's good. That's cool. All right, so let's try out put some cards in here to see what it looks like. I have 3 of my credit cards in here. Adds a little bit weight, not too much. Nothing too bad. So now just goes right on the phone. Right now I'm going to show you some video of me putting it in my pocket. But it is really nice. Simply to take it out, you just put it like that, and all the cards will come out just like that. So that is pretty cool. I'm not sure if putting cash in here would be a good idea. I don't think it'll come out as smoothly. But yeah, this is my first impressions is pretty good. This is just something that I could take with me if I don't really need a big wallet. I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of my wallet. This is just something to have if I just want to keep it light. You know, don't want to carry around a wallet with me. Just keep something light to put on my phone, just so I can have it with me. But yeah, guys, let me know if you think, is it worth the 60 bucks? Is it just all hype? I'm gonna try it out and see. But thank you guys for watching. Peace.